Welcome to Amir's World. On today's episode, we'll do Lexia, so let's get started. Did the mouse haze or escape? Or escape. Yes. Watch out for the stampede of cows. We did not locate the lost cat. A snake is a reptile. He will dictate the words to us. He will dictate the words for us. That girl is a star. No. Watch out for the stampede of cows. Flip the pancake in. The teens will compete in the big game. What's the game anyway? That girl is a star athlete. That girl is a star athlete. Flip the pancake in the pan. Yes. Please be when you ask for help. Polite. They will provide a snack at camp. The teens compete in the big game. What's the big game?
Nice.
Yeah.
Syllables.
Yeah.
Every syllable has a vowel.
Now you should be quiet.
Sort the different types of syllables into the correct boxes. Closed syllables.
Wow, there was so much.
And end in one or more consonants.
I can't do anything else.
Open syllables end in a single vowel. The vowel sound is long. Listen. Flow. Vowel R syllables contain a vowel followed by R. The vowel sound is clean. Listen. Turn. Sort the different types of syllables into the correct box. You can choose the heading of each box to hear the definition again. Vowel R syllables contain a vowel followed by R. The vowel sound is clean.
Glower. More. Glower.
Glow.
Yeah. I guess there are no more. Zup is a closed
syllable. Closed syllables have one vowel and end.
I know. Just be quiet. Yes, now you're being quiet. Now I can just figure out this. Yes. Plid. No.
Plid is a closed syllable. Closed
I know.
Have one vowel and end in one or more.
You made me so angry. Be quiet. Yes, now you're being. Now you're being. Plid. Yeah. No.
Plid
No.
is a closed syllable. Closed syllable.
Why do I get so much rhymes here?
In one or more consonants.
Why do I get so much rhymes? Do you know? No.
An open syllable. Listen. Spy. Watch again. This is not an open syllable.
Yeah, riv.
Decide if the syllable is an open syllable. Choose this.
No, it isn't. No, No, it isn't. Yes, I'm correct.
This is not an open.
Yeah. Fa? Yeah, it is. Fee.
Is an open.
I thought it was fa, but it's fee. Pa? Oh yeah.
Pay
Pay.
is an open syllable.
I thought it was pa, but it's pay. Mo. Yes, I'm correct. I'm so happy. No.
Blow is an
Why do you keep on getting me so wrongs?
end in a single vowel. The vowel sound is long.
You make me get so much wrongs. Wow.
Mo is a vowel R syllable.
Yeah, I know a vowel R syllable. Yeah,
Flash is
yes.
Crayon is a closed syllable.
I'm a little busy, so I'll tell you later. Buzz. No, it's a
Is a closed syllable. Closed syllables have one vowel and in one or more.
yeah, I know.
This is an open syllable.
Yeah, I know. Can I just skip this?
Watch again.
Yeah.
This is not an open syllable.
I know.
The syllable is an open syllable.
Of course it is.
If it is, use this button if it is not. Hey, this is an open syllable.
Oh, this isn't.
Turn
Yeah.
is not
Turn.
an open syllable.
Yes, it's not. Fair? Yes.
This is an open
I
syllable.
forgot.
Hey,
Gray.
dry,
Gray.
blow.
No, it's
This is a vowel R syllable. Vowel R syllables contain a vowel followed by R. The vowel sound
jar. Crayon?
is a vowel R syllable.
Of course. Why?
Is a closed syllable.
Crayon.
Syllables have one vowel
It's like
and one or more.
cranberry.
The vowel sound.
Cranberries.
This is an open syllable.
Can you just skip this?
An open syllable.
Yes, I have. Wow, I've got so much work to do.
If it is,
Wow, you take so long to stop talking, okay? Okay? Chloe? No. It is.
open syllable.
Purse? No, it isn't. No, don't
This is not an open syllable.
don't you dare go inside the open syllable, okay? Pat, yes it is.
Hey,
Okay,
this
so
is an open syllable.
pay, you can go inside the open syllable. Tort, I'm playing right here. Okay, I think this one played. Yes, yes!
Awesome. You're making progress. Listen carefully and choose the two syllables to make the word you hear. Press this button when you are done. Lobster.
Lobster. Which means we stir soup and then we add a lob to it.
Lobster.
First get the letter lob and add a stir to it.
Number.
Put them together. Lobster. Number. How dare you say that? Numberg.
Number.
Number. Yeah, number. Burr. It's number. Number. Num, then just a burr. That is so. What did you say? What did you say? Tell us it. Garden. Garden. Garden.
Garden.
Just a garden, a den.
Tiger.
Tiger. No, this. Stop. Yeah. I'm gonna bring you. Tiger. It's just a tiger girl. Yogurt. Yogurt. It's just a yogurt. What? Baker's just a baker? Baker? Forget. I always forget. Carpet. Yes, carpet. Because, I'll just use pet. Carpet. It's carpet. Because it doesn't have a pig. Super. Just super. Return. Okay. Return. Hooray! Boing, boing, splash in the water, too bad. I like to eat popcorn as a snack. Yes. Did you see a green clover in the grass? Clover or clovart? No. I get milk, eggs, and meat at the market. Milk, eggs, and meat. Why? We hung a lantern next to the tent. What? How do you hang a lantern next to the tent? Oh, yeah. Wait. My small, cute hamster. My cute hamster. I have a pink slipper on my foot. Aim for the red target. Yeah, aim for the red target. I had peach yogurt at snack time. I had to stay home when I had fever. Okay? I Spinger made a huge. The Spinger made a. The Spinder. The Spinder. The spider made a huge web. I had to stay home when I had fever. Do you see a green clover in the grass? A spider made a huge web. A huge web.
Great work completing the first half of this level. These skills are getting stronger. It's time for more fun and learning in the second half.
Hooray! Sight word 5. Sight word 5 is so easy.
You're going to see you may not be able to sound out.
You think you're going to trick me? No. I'm super smart. You don't know how to trick me because you just use lots of words here and I can see people.
Listen and move the box over the word in the grid.
Ah,
Press this button when you found the word. People.
people. Easy. I found it right here.
Watch.
Watch right here. Like we watch.
Warm.
We watch a bow aim a target. Warm? Oh yeah, warm.
People.
People? Yeah, I see it right. It's right here.
Warm.
Warm? Why does it have to be warm again? Okay. 8. Did you say? Oh yeah, she said 8. Hooray! Only? Oh, here.
Warm.
Warm.
Only.
Only. Try to do it right here. Yay. Watch. Like we watch a bow aim a target. 8. Okay. 8 is the same as eating. 8. I ate food. Only? 8. Here.
Watch.
Of course we watch cows. People.
Now that you know these sight words, try spelling them. Every sentence has
That's all for the video. Subscribe, like, share, and comment and click the bell to get more videos. Bye!